You know how we all love to do choice boards? Whenever we can like put choice into the classroom, we're like, yes, but it's also super hard because then you're also creating a bunch of different assignments. You're basically tripling or quadrupling or quintupling your work, right? And then you also have to figure out, okay, is it aligned? Is it all going to be gradable? And then you just end up giving everybody like an A-. Not that I would do that, but so I created something that I think sort of solves that problem. So the idea is that students would only get assigned one slide in their Google Classroom, but in this one slide, they would have all 5 of their options to choose from. So in this case, make a soundtrack, a book cover, a painting or other art, interview a character, and a travel brochure, all on that one document. And then I've got a make a copy link on there for the slides that they're going to be able to edit. In each one of the options, the students will have a slide to fill out the symbol or era or whatever you're having them study, and then a slide for tracking the evidence, in this case, the symbol. And then they'll have one that is a little bit different where they are having to figure out how they want to apply that knowledge to whatever it is that they're going to be doing creatively. So for this case, it's a brochure. So they're going to create the brochure and then they are going to embed it on that slide. Once they're done with their slideshow, they are going to then just copy and paste it into the initial slideshow that you assigned. That way you're not having to hunt all around to find the slides and to find the assignments. And because I made the rubric applicable to all 5 options, you only need one rubric to do it. So all of that, regardless of which option they choose, is part 1. Part 2 comes on the actual in-class essay day where they are going to use all of the resources that they just made in that project to write an essay. And of course, I have a rubric. I hope that gives you guys some ideas if you want to build your own. Mine is available on my website. It's $15 for all 5 of the summatives and the whole setup and everything. Or if you just want to do one of the assessments, you can just buy one individually from my website. But when you do buy the whole like group as a choice board, I include the option to also have like them independently. So let me know if you use it.